from where it can be checked कि मतलब proper food packets have reached and they are in a proper condition or not?
Yeah, basically the aim is like that कि proper food and proper condition with quantity and the quality should be supplied. Here what I mean to say, quantity and quality both. Okay, here because the main issue is with the quantity also. Okay, because what they want to say, too much food for too few people, and the vice versa also. Okay, too few food for the too much of pupils. So both are contradictory. So we have to manage the proper things with the help of sensor based network. And a few days back I have taken the example of this one from field unit or the field agricultural field to the plate. Okay, this was the project, and I will take the case study of this one also. How proper supply chain management can be made with the help of IoT based sensor based network, from field agricultural field to the plate. Okay, and starting from the production, basically it starts from the seed sowing, and then crops, and then harvesting, and then converted into the grains to process food, and then process to the logistic supply, and then it will be served to the plate basically. Have you got my point? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this type of thing is there. We will take the case study of this one, agriculture field to the plate. So next is, so these are the IoT SDG goal. So this one is the zero hunger. An estimated 821 million people were undernourished in 2017. Annual cereal production will need to rise to about 3 billion tons, and annual meat production will need to be raised by 200 tons, and this much of figure is there to itne figure by 2050. Okay, regularly these figures are going to be increased for 70 to 9.1 billion by 2050. SDG 3, what it deals with the good health and well-being. 3 billion people worldwide lack access of basic sanitation. Non-communicable disease alone will cost low and middle income countries more than this trillion to 15 years. Clean water and sanitation and life below water is also there. We have seen one by one by this one. And but basically IoT focused, IoT committed for this one industry in goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. For the lower income countries, the existence constraint regarding infrastructure affect fund productivity by around 40%. And another one is the sustainable cities. Half of the humanity, 3.5 billion, lives in cities today, and 5 million people are projected to live in the cities by 2030. There is a shift from rural to urban areas, okay, or semi-urban to big urban cities. Okay, there is a shift basically, or there is a migration. The world cities occupy just 3% of the Earth's land, but account of 80% of energy consumption and 75% of carbon emissions and climate action, and these things are there. We have to manage the carbon dioxide have increased by almost 50% by 50% since 1990. So these are the basically some facts and figure. So IoT deals with the basically is goal number 9, that is industry, innovation and infrastructure. So far any doubt? So from now onwards some new topic started, that is the IoT elements. Okay, IoT elements. So any doubt so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Diksha is there? Diksha is there? Okay. So these are the IoT elements. Okay, if there is a difference between the architecture and elements. Okay, there is a difference between the architecture and elements. We have seen the architecture and different configuration or different types of architectures and different kind of architecture grouped into these basically 3 categories. We have seen the device categorization also. But what basically elements means? IoT elements means elements that are needed to comprise of some ecosystem. Okay, these are the very essential elements. These are the very essential elements that is required to build up the ecosystem. Okay, without this we cannot make. definitely there is no fixed thumb rule ke only this much of amount of elements we require. Definitely there will be more elements depending upon your application ecosystem. But here what I mean to say, these are the minimum things. These are the minimum things that I require. Okay, these are the minimum things that I need to have. Okay, what basically it comprises of? First one is the identification, another one is the sensing. Okay, identification, what does it mean by the identification? Can anybody tell? Somen, can you tell me what basically identification?
Any image?
No, identification means we have one device. Okay, we have one device, so it should be
Oh.
identified. It should be identified by some name. Okay, in very beginning, basically some people were asking about IPv4 or IPv6. IPv6, no, it is not like that. Okay, it will come later on. It will come later on when it will communicate to the network. First of all, object ID should be there. Okay, object ID should be there. It may be a randomly selected by the device. Okay, or manually also you can give. Okay, manually also you can give. So identification, first identification will be there, then sensing will be there. Depending upon your application, it is a broad category what type of sensor you are using. So depending upon this ones, your sensing will be there. After that, communication, ability to communicate with the world. Okay, within the it will depend within the range bound communication you room, within the room communication you require, within the home communication you require, or outside world communication you require. And after that, computation. What does it mean by the, what do you mean by the computation? Khushbu, what do you mean by the computation?
Analysis.
Analysis part.
Analysis part, definitely intelligent analysis will be there. Okay, or some data processing part will also come under the computation basically. Okay, there is a one thing is there, as earlier in earlier session also I have told, these sensor based device basically gathers a lot of amount of data, tons of data basically. Okay, they generate tons of data, and in initial, very initial stage basically your data is referred to as a raw data. So you need to sort out the particular data or search out the information from that data. Okay, or valuable data or useful data from that data. It also comes under the part of computation basically.
This processing, analysis, and deciding.
Deciding. Okay, this is deciding or decision will be a last stage of this one. Okay, after that, services. After that, services is nothing but an application. Okay, what type of information or what type of users pattern you require as per the data gathered by the sensing, this one. After the intelligence. Okay, intelligence means it will depend upon your application requirement, what type of actuation what you need basically. Okay, what is the need of your application. So depending upon this, your data will work. Okay, or your intelligence will be applied on that processed data, pre-processed data. Okay, and what about the semantics? Khushbu, what do you mean by the semantics? Are you getting my voice, Khushbu?
The programming or algorithm part.
No, basically semantic here means
Programming
the
or
format.
algorithm part.
No, semantic
Aggregation
means
of
the
required
format
data.
basically. Ability to extract knowledge smartly by different machine to provide the required services. Okay, different, because we have the heterogeneous infrastructure here, different type of devices we will get, and there will be a communication between the inter device communication. Okay, there will be a one model will be there in where we require the inter device communication. In that your semantic will come into the picture. Okay, your semantic will be come into the picture, just like that.
That is the last final result available in end user.
Available to the end user, or it may be a machine also. That means one machine is communicating through another machine. It may be the case,
Yes.
sir. End user is replaced. Suppose in second case, end user is replaced by the machine. So end user, it is okay. He is getting the information as per the semantics, but machine will also require, machine will also be a different type of machine will be there. Okay, at another side, suppose multimedia sensor is there, camera based sensor is there. So what it requires? Data visualization it requires. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Logical platform is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah, we have the heterogeneous. We are basically what we our challenge is we will find the heterogeneous environment. Okay, so how to achieve the semantics as per the application need? As per the application need, that is the part of semantics. That is the part of semantics. Okay, definitely software, algorithms, and so many things, even protocols will be there to provide the proper semantics or the proper format to display the results, okay, or to execute the particular task. Is that clear? So basically, IoT elements grouped into the these things: identification, sensing, communication, computation, services, and the semantics. And identification basically refers to the object ID, and the another stage is the addressing part. Okay, you can say at layer 2 it can be a MAC address. After that it will be a IPv4, IPv6. Basically three things you will find here. At layer 2 MAC address will be there. Okay, MAC address will be there, and then object name should be there. There should be some object name or object ID. It may be a randomly generated ID, or you can if it is a manually configured, you can assign the name, some name to the object particular, so that it will be configured. Suppose your sensor is connected to the gateway, so you what you require, global discovery you require whenever you going to configure this one, or suppose it is a automatically configured, so this sensor should be able to reach with the gateway, and gateway should be able to reach with this sensor device. So depending upon the object ID, then MAC address and addressing will be required. Then get this. What about the sensing? Sensing means Khushbu, what is your doubt? Khushbu, are you getting my voice? Khushbu, are you getting my voice? Now you can speak. Basically object ID will not be a unique. Okay, basically object ID will not be a unique. Your MAC address and IP address will be a, you can say somehow it can be a unique, but object ID is some ID basically, or some name you have given the particular device, and this object ID will not going to be transmit over the network. Okay, not going to be transmit over the network, because you will find this type of intelligence inside the gateway. Your gateway will take care about this one. Your gateway will take care about this one. If it is a within the range communication, within the room communication, your object ID will work. Object ID will work. Then what about the sensing? It is related to the gathering data from related objects. Okay, wherever you have the sensors, the job is to gather the data, only. Okay, because they are the no processing devices, so they don't have the right, or they don't have the capability to process the data. In room communication, object ID has to be unique. Yes, it should be. Yes, within the room it should be. And your gateway will take care about this one, because whenever plug and play type of configuration will be there, or manual configuration will be there, no same name or same object ID will be configured within one gateway. So for that purpose, basically your gateway will be used. So for that purpose, your gateway will be used. Have you got the answer? Have you got the answer? Yes. And communication, definitely it is a using low power. From now, Meenakshi, any doubt? You can communicate, Meenakshi?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Okay. And from here, your new word is there. That is the low power. Earlier also I have told, okay, so from now onwards, you at maximum point you will encounter this word, that is the low power, because the energy conservation is the main issue with these devices. They don't have such a energy storage devices. It can have the maximum storage type of things. It can store the maximum amount of energy. So they use the basically gyros battery type of arrangement, or for the agriculture field, basically they have the solar panel. They have the solar panel. Okay, they have the solar panel. I will take one lecture. Smart city, I think all of you have heard. So smart villages, I don't think, have you heard the word smart villages? Smart villages,
Yes, sir.
smart villages
Yes,
सुना
sir.
है आपने?
Yes, sir.
So I will take the example or case study of smart village. Basically in that you will find the basically energy harvesting part, and energy harvesting basically deals with the your solar energy deployment, solar energy deployment. Another one is the computation processing units and software application represent the brain and computational ability of IoT, or in simplified way you can say it is a intelligence that you will put on the data, pre-processed data or after processing the data. And services, it will be a use cases depending upon your application or use cases, your services will be there. Semantic means synchronization, or basically a to visualize the data or whatever the requirement of this use cases. So according to that your semantic will work. Ability to extract knowledge smartly by different machine to provide the required services. So this is about the semantics. And in more detail you can find here identification. It will be a addressing IPv4, IPv6 identification, electronic processing code, U code. It will depend upon your access technologies. Okay, identification basically a name that you will configure. Sensing, smart sensors, wearable, different type of categorization of devices are there. Communication, RFID, NFC. These I will take in the connectivity part. Okay, what are the connectivity options? It can be Wi-Fi, it can be LTE, advanced, Z-Wave, Zigbee, Bluetooth Low Energy. Okay, computation means it can be a hardware or software. Software deals with the basically cloud-based system. Okay, and it deals with the OS also. So Contiki, Tiny OS. Have you heard the word Tiny OS? Diksha is there. Diksha, have you heard the Tiny OS or the Tiny OS? Neha, have you heard the word Tiny OS?
No, sir.
TinyOS basically is a small platform operating system. Usually some sensors have the operating system also. So your Contiki and TinyOS is the small operating system that you will find inside the your smart devices, or simply say smart sensors. Contiki, TinyOS, both two are very famous in the IoT world, and this one Nimbits. These are the cloud or the data analysis part, basically Hadoop and these type of technologies. So we will see the big data part inside that, the role of this one. Different type of services can be there: identity related shipping, cargo, or smart grid, collaborated aware, smart home, UBS connectivity that requires the smart city, and the semantics, RDF, OWLEXE. So I will not go in a detail. So we will see in the semantic portion. So this is the same diagram in more detail. So what I have, these things I have already discussed, and this one is the layered architecture. You can say perception layer, network layer, or application layer, or it can be your backbone network layer. Okay, and middleware. I don't think you need to go inside much detail. Okay, definitely these things come under the whenever I take the use cases, so all the things will come the service management, service composition, application, business layer means the like smart city or the business intelligence part. So these things will come under the business layer part, and your objects will come into the existence. Okay, inside this, what is this SOA? So don't be one request is, please don't be confused with 4 layer, 3 layer, 5 layer architecture. Okay, all whenever architecture, whenever somebody asks you or you need to refer the architecture, only refer the 4 layer architecture is there. Okay, don't be confused with the 3 layer because it is a connectivity part. Okay, this is the use cases. It will, these layers will depend upon the your use cases. Okay, So basically, whenever some question arises or some doubt is there, ke how many layers you will find inside the IoT architecture. So what will be your reply? Neha, what will be your reply? How many
Depending
layers
on
you
the
will find in the
requirement.
IoT architecture?
Sir, it will depend upon the use case.
No. Basically, as per the ITU architecture, as per the ITU
three layers.
architecture reference model, if it is asking ke somebody asking ke what about the architecture, inside the architecture 4-layer model is there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
4-layer model I have shown in the ITU reference architecture. So here basically layer 3 was the application support layer. If you remember, just remember the ITU reference architecture. Here basically what does it mean? It is embedded inside the application layer. It is embedded inside the application layer. That's why it is saying a 3-layer architecture is there. Another, it is a middleware based architecture. In that it is middleware layer and coordination layer added. Basically these are the part of application layer. These are the part of application layer or somehow network layer. In between that it is there, and this functionality provided by the network layer itself and somehow application. That's why size of application layer is much bigger than the network layer or perception layer. So all these functionality will be provided by the application layer. So don't worry about that. Always remember only 4-layer architecture will be there as per the architecture reference point of view. So don't be confused about that. If question arises, okay, how many layers you will find, how many layers are there in the IoT ecosystem, so quickly reply only 4-layer are available inside the IoT based architecture. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
These are the major components of IoT. Okay, यहाँ पे थोड़ा challenge हमारा बड़ा है here because cloud introduces. Okay, cloud comes into the existence. So somehow we will try to correlate the things. So here what we have the thing or the device, both are same. Okay, so at that particular moment I am expecting that there will be no confusion between the thing and device. Are you able to make the sense between the thing and devices? both are okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Khushbu, middleware is nothing but a
Yes, sir.
coordination device. Okay, middleware means it will make the coordination between the different applications, between the different application whenever it is needed. So middleware will provide the connectivity part. We have seen in the LPLC and HPSC part. So don't go in detail. So that's why I don't prefer in the layered architecture too much. Some people say okay, it is a 7-layer model. So no, it is not like that. Only 4-layer architecture is there. You will find inside the ITU reference architecture. Ha, definitely it is important. What is SOA? Neha, what is SOA?
Sir, no idea.
Okay, can anyone reply? Ramesh ji is there? Ramesh ji, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am here. No,
Okay.
but no idea about
Okay,
SOA.
okay, very good, very good. No worry about that. Anybody have idea about what is SOA?
Vaidya Sagar is telling service-oriented architecture.
Definitely, very beautifully, Vidyaji. It is a service-oriented architecture and service-based architecture. Both are same. Okay, and since beginning I am saying कि SDN is your service-based architecture or service-oriented architecture. यानी कि your service or application will define your architecture. Okay, it will decide your network will be decided by the application. Yeah, designing of software architecture. Yes, Sandeep ji, definitely. SOA or SBA both are same. Okay, always remember whether it is a SOA, service oriented architecture, or service based architecture, both are same. Now thing or device, both are same. Then thing means it can be a non-energized, or device means it can be energized. So there should not be any confusion
Anything.
between the thing and device. And it will be some means it will be connected to gateway. Up to this it is clear. You are correlating the things
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Okay, what it will get, it will, the only purpose is it will gather the data. It will gather the data by sensing mechanism. Then wireless network is there. Wireless network is means it can be through the Wi-Fi, or it can be BLE, or it can be a Zigbee, and it will be connected to gateway. Where you will find the gateway? Where you will find the gateway?
Within home or within device itself?
Within the premises, basically within the premises, sir. Okay, don't be confused with the network. Okay, a lot of misconception or confusion arises. Gateway is the network part. Okay, it behaves like a bridge basically. Okay, it connects this device or thing with the outside world, and after that it will go to the cloud, sir. It will go to the cloud. And what about this connection? This is the internet. This is the internet, or the your ISP. It is the ISP part, and it is all about the data from beginning to that part in the cloud. And what you will find inside the cloud? Okay, what you will find inside the cloud? Data gathering. Here data process gathering will be there, and data processing will be there. Okay, what do you mean by the data
Sir,
processing?
basically data pool.
Data pool or data lake, basically you can say database, you can say data pool, or you can say smartly
Yes.
data lakes. Okay, nowadays basically the days are over where we say data will be stored in the database. Database means it is a structure like some static form of data will be there. Okay, data lake, it is also just like a database, but always in the data lake, data will always be ready to move, always be ready to move. Okay, but through the logical pipeline we can access this data. Okay, it's all about the analysis part. Okay, it's all about the analysis or data access part that you will find inside the cloud platform.
Sir, actually, proper authentication, anybody can access this data from this cloud.
No, sir. No, anybody. Only authorization will be there. Only authentic device will be there, because it's all about
Yes.
the configuration part. It's all about the configuration part. Okay, because authentication in between these devices and this one is also, your gateway will be registered inside the cloud. Are you getting my point or not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Proper authentication will be there, but further I am adding one point. There is no much provision you can make the 100% secure this one, because your challenge is much bigger. If you make the foolproof security, if you want to implement the foolproof security here, it will cause the delay. It will cause the delay, and in your case challenge is much bigger, because along with the
Data security
real
is
time communication, you require the real time decisioning also, because यहाँ पे आपको real time decisioning भी तो करनी है.
yes.
है ना? Your ultimate aim is to reach here. Okay, your ultimate
Right.
aim is basically to gather the data, and after gathering the data to simply reach here. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's all about the data. Storage will be there in the form of data lakes, database, or whatever you say. In the form of data pipelines, you can access this one, and after that it will go to the analytics. Okay, here pre-processing will also be there, because simply this data is the raw data. This data is the raw data. Suppose we have moved we have put, it is this one motion sensor is there. Suppose motion, what does it provide? Suppose I move I move one leg so forward, so it will gather it, this condition will be generated, and simply forward in the form of data it will be transmitted to cloud. Okay, but what does it mean I have moved from the shop or particular place? No, it is not like that. Just only I have moved the my foot forward, so it is only one waste of data, or simply a raw data. So like that, tons of data will be generated, and some data will be useful for you. Okay, some data will be useful for you. So that means it's all about the raw data, and raw data will be pre-processed here. After that it will the data will be sent to the analytics portion. Okay, analytics portion, and after the outcome of this analytics and AI will be applied here, and it will go towards the user interface, or towards application sites, or you can say web of things, or towards the web of things. And what about the data? It's all about the data from since beginning to the end. We are seeing it's a part of data from one point to another point, from one point to the another point. So in other means we can say your data nowadays, your data is not a static data basically and not a dynamic data. Your data is the smart one. Your data, we can say your data nowadays, data works as a fuel, and your data speaks, and even your data breathes, and your data visualize also. Your data visualize also. Here in this in this example, what it is doing, data visualization is there. Okay, data visualize something. Okay, this type of thing is there. Suppose you have one machine is data visualization will be there. Your machine requirement is, okay, by visualizing the data it will take the decision. Okay, suppose your user requirement is like that. Okay, it will visualize the data, and as per the visualization of visualization outcome, it will take the decision. Okay, your decision will be there, so it will be visualized, it will be visualized. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Khushbu, any doubt? Ramesh ji, it is clear?
Clear,
Ramesh ji,
sir.
clear?
Clear, sir. Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Because it is an important part. It's all about the data, thing and device. Now I hope you are getting the things basically, and you are correlating the things from the beginning, very beginning slide. Okay, how a thing means anything or everything can be there, and how the smart device will work. It is a local part basically, you can say, within the home communication. After that, it's all about the outside world, and it is a ISP part. It is a ISP part, or simply say internet part. It can be your mobile wireless communication, mobile communication, or it can be your landline broadband communication existing. So we will not go in a detail. There should a lot of confusion arises ke here mobile communication will be there, or this broadband network will come into the picture. So it's all about the ISP. आपको ISP पे जाना है, and ISP will provide the internet service, because we want to move towards the this one.
Hello.
Now these are the elements. Okay, IoT element based one. Another example is there. It is a smart office example. Smart office example. What we have, it is equipped with a different type of sensors, door sensors, vibration sensors. Okay, and it has the temperature sensor, removal sensor. Okay, yani ki dispersion sensor is there. So motion, temperature sensor, power sensor, siren sensor, strobe light, IR, all are connected with each other. All are connected with each other, and further it will go from the gateway. It will go to the outside world. Okay, and towards the cloud, and all the things will be there as per the outside world decisioning, as per the analytics result. These are the another thing, connected device.
Excuse me, sir. There is a very good question from Mr. Vijay. What is the connection between cloud and analytics? What kind of connection?
Cloud and analytics, basically there will not be any relation, because analytics portion you will find inside the cloud.
Okay, sir.
Okay, inside the cloud in 99.9% cases. Okay, and if your analytics server is resided some in another cloud, okay, it may be possible that inter cloud communication can be there. Okay, it may be possible that entire thing is not connected to the one cloud. It may be possible that inter cloud communication can be there, so it will be through the internet. It will be through the internet. Vijay ji, have you got my point? Vijay ji, okay, it may be possible, it may be another cloud, or it may be any server also, but in maximum cases single cloud, over the single cloud platform you will find these things, because analytics means we need a real-time analytics. Whenever more number of nodes will be included, or the number of nodes will be included, or distance will be more, so some delay will be there, in the data movement. So our purpose will not be fulfilled, and entire system, it will be there will be major chance of collapse. Then that means entire ecosystem will collapse. No, cloud is each and everything. cloud is not only a collection. Inside the cloud, each and everything you will find. Okay, there is a lot of misconception that cloud, over the cloud only storage will be there. No, it is not like that. Cloud can serve any purpose. Cloud can serve any purpose. Okay, I will
Sir,
take this.
one thing, sir.
Huh.
I send a data to cloud, and another location, one person or take this data and analysis.
Mhm.
Then again, see process data sent to cloud, and I take this data from cloud. Is it?
No, I'm not getting the point basically. Can you repeat?
Sir, I send a data to
Mhm.
cloud.
Okay.
In another location, my friend take this data from cloud.
Mhm.
Then she process, and again she send this data to cloud,
Mhm.
and anybody take this data with proper authentication.
Yeah, anybody can get the if they have the authentication, anybody can fetch the data. It is, there is no issue about that. But where the real time
That's the
decision is
analysis part is other in not in cloud.
which one?
Analysis of data is others in not in cloud.
No, it can be basically inside the cloud. Basically, analysis requires a huge amount of processing. Okay, what basically analysis part? Analysis is nothing but a computing. Yesterday I have taken the example of 2 into 3. What is the outcome of 2 into 3? It is a 6. But another side, if I am asking 2 2 2 4 4 4 into 5 5 5 5 6 6 6, so it will require a huge amount of computing basically, where your system will fail. Okay, it is not possible that over a local system you can analyze the things. Okay, these are the, so a lot of AI algorithms will need to be run. These are the complex algorithms, so they require the smart system, and these systems are only possible inside the cloud basically for the real-time analysis. So analysis means this is only possible inside the cloud. It may be possible, okay, for the analytics point of view, you have categorized that particular cloud. Okay, you have categorized that particular
Oh,
cloud, or
yes,
you
yes. Okay,
assign some portion of
got
that
it.
cloud for the analytics part.
Yes.
Okay, cloud is a not a small, oh sorry, analysis is not a small job. Analysis is the main job, or you can say it is a heart or brain of this ecosystem analysis. If you
Yes.
minus the
Okay.
analytics, that means everything will be zero. Okay, otherwise sensor
Uh,
gathering is there. Sensing gathering data is from the embedded system also. There is no new concept.
yes.
Okay, previous
Yes.
to that
Okay.
IoT embedded system was there ना, sensor was also there.
Yes. Yes.
Sensor
Yes.
कोई नया काम
Yes.
तो
Yes.
है नहीं, sensor तो बहुत
Right.
पहले से
Right.
use हो रहे हैं. So they gather the data,
Okay.
but what do you want basically on that data? You want the intelligence over to, you want to put the intelligence over that data, and through the AI also, only it is possible.
Yes.
है ना? And putting this AI is
Yes.
not a single job. A huge amount of computing and complexity is there.
Basically, I encrypted the data for
Which one?
security.